Welcome back to Money Saver Society, where we turn everyday money moves into financial freedom. Today's topic concerns middle-income earners, people who work hard and earn a decent living but want to make their money work harder for them. We're diving into smart, actionable hacks to help you boost your savings and investments without sacrificing your lifestyle. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about automating your investments. Think of it as putting your money on autopilot. You set it up once and then it just works for you, consistently building your wealth over time. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account every payday. This could be a mutual fund, an index fund, or even a robo-advisor account. Even if you start with just $50 or $100 a month, the power of consistency is incredible. Over time, those small contributions add up, and with the magic of compound interest, your money starts working harder and harder for you. Automating your investments is like setting that snowball in motion. It takes the emotion out of investing, helps you stay disciplined, and ensures that you're consistently building wealth, even when life gets busy. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Tip number 2 is all about maximizing your 401k contributions. If your employer offers a match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. This is free money, people. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. Even if you're already getting the full match, consider increasing your contributions whenever possible. Even a 1% increase each year can make a significant difference in the long run. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest works its magic over time, so the sooner you start, the better. Make maximizing your 401k contributions a top priority. Let's talk about something that can really hold you back financially: high-interest debt. This type of debt can be a significant burden, making it difficult to save money or invest in your future. I'm talking about those credit cards and personal loans that seem to drain your bank account month after month. The interest rates on these debts can be incredibly high, sometimes reaching 20% or more, which means you're paying a lot more than you borrowed. If you're serious about boosting your savings and investments, you need to tackle this debt head-on. It's not just about making minimum payments. It's about creating a strategy to eliminate this financial burden. The first step is to understand the true cost of your debt. This means looking beyond the minimum payments and understanding how much interest you're accruing over time. Look at your statements and calculate how much you're paying in interest each month. This can be an eye-opening experience and can motivate you to take action. Prioritize paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. This method will save you the most money in the long run because you're reducing the amount of interest you're paying. This is often called the avalanche method. By focusing on the highest interest debt first, you can make a significant dent in your overall debt more quickly. Once you've identified your highest interest debt, create a plan of attack. This plan should include a budget that allocates extra funds towards paying down this debt. Can you cut back on some expenses to free up more money to throw at that debt? Look at your discretionary spending and see where you can make cuts. Every dollar saved can go towards reducing your debt. Can you pick up a side hustle to generate some extra income? Every little bit helps. Whether it's freelancing, a part-time job, or selling items you no longer need, additional income can accelerate your debt repayment. Another option to consider is debt consolidation. This involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, making it easier to manage and potentially saving you money on interest. By taking action, creating a plan, and staying committed, you can break free from the debt cycle and start building a brighter financial future. It's a challenging journey, but the rewards of financial freedom are well worth the effort. Chapter 4. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts are like secret weapons in your financial arsenal. Tax-advantaged accounts are designed to help you save for specific financial goals, like retirement or healthcare, while also reducing your tax liability. They offer unique tax benefits that can help your money grow faster and more efficiently. If you're eligible for a 401k through your employer, that's fantastic. But don't forget about individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. There are two main types of IRAs: traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Another tax-advantaged account to consider is a health savings account, or HSA. Contributions to an HSA are tax-deductible, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. And don't forget about 529 plans for college savings. By taking advantage of these accounts, you're not only saving for your future, but you're also reducing your tax burden. More money stays in your pocket. Chapter 5. Budget with the 50-30-20 rule. Let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is a crucial skill that can transform your financial life. It's not just about tracking expenses. It's about making intentional choices with your money. A budget is not about deprivation. It's about empowerment. It's about giving yourself the freedom to spend on what truly matters to you while ensuring you're prepared for the future. It's about taking control of your money so that your money doesn't control you. When you have a clear plan, you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary stress. One of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods I've found is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is straightforward and easy to follow, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge. This rule provides a clear framework for allocating your income in a way that supports both your needs and your goals. It helps you balance your spending and saving in a way that aligns with your financial priorities. Here's how it works. You divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs. 50% of your income should go towards your essential expenses. These are the non-negotiables like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Wants. 30% of your income is allocated to your wants, the things that bring you joy and enhance your life. This includes dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and other personal pleasures. Savings and debt repayment. The remaining 20% of your income is dedicated to building your financial security. This can include saving for emergencies, retirement, or paying down debt. The beauty of this rule is its flexibility. It's a guideline, not a strict rule, allowing you to adjust based on your unique financial situation. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and priorities. For instance, if you have high debt, you might allocate more to debt repayment and less to wants. A budget is a tool to help you manage your money, not restrict it. It's about making your money work for you so you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. Chapter 6. Utilize high-yield savings accounts. Let's talk about your emergency fund for a moment. You know how important it is to have money set aside for unexpected expenses. But did you know that you could be earning more interest on that money? That's where high-yield savings accounts come in. High-yield savings accounts, often offered by online banks, can offer significantly higher interest rates, putting your money to work for you. The difference in interest rates might seem small, but over time, it can add up to a significant amount of money. And the best part is, your money is still easily accessible if you need it. Take a few minutes to compare interest rates and find a high-yield savings account that meets your needs. Let's talk about one of your most valuable assets, your career. You spend a significant portion of your life working, so it makes sense to invest in your career development and strive for higher earning potential. Consider taking online courses, attending industry conferences, or getting certified in your field. These investments can pay off in spades by making you a more competitive candidate for promotions and raises. Another way to invest in your career is to network and build relationships with people in your industry. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary and benefits. By continuously seeking ways to improve your skills, expand your knowledge, and build your network, you're setting yourself up for long-term career success and financial security. Chapter 8. Track your net worth. Your net worth is simply the difference between your assets and your liabilities. To calculate your net worth, gather information about your assets, such as your savings, investments, retirement accounts, and any real estate you own. Then list your liabilities, which include things like mortgages, student loans, credit card debt, and any other outstanding loans. Once you have this information, simply subtract your liabilities from your assets. The resulting number is your net worth. It's a snapshot of your financial position at a specific point in time. Tracking your net worth over time allows you to track your progress towards your financial goals. Are you moving closer to financial independence? Are you building wealth steadily? The important thing is to start tracking it and make it a habit to review it regularly. Chapter 9. Limit lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. The allure of new, shiny things can be hard to resist. You deserve to enjoy the fruits of your labor, right? Absolutely. Treating yourself is important for maintaining motivation and celebrating your hard work. But there's a fine line between enjoying your success and falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. It's crucial to recognize this boundary. Lifestyle inflation is a sneaky thing. It can creep up on you without you even realizing it. It happens gradually, almost imperceptibly. You might start with small upgrades, but they can quickly add up. You get a raise, so you start buying more expensive coffee. It seems harmless at first. You get a promotion, so you upgrade your car. Each step feels justified by your increased income. Before you know it, your expenses have increased right along with your income, and you're no closer to your financial goals. The cycle can be hard to break. Here are a few tips to help you keep lifestyle inflation in check. These strategies can help you maintain control over your finances. Track your spending. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to controlling it. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your expenses. Differentiate between needs and wants. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. This simple question can prevent unnecessary spending. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated to save and invest. Goals provide direction and purpose. By being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals, you can enjoy your success without falling victim to lifestyle inflation. It's about balance and intentionality. Remember, true wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how well you manage and grow what you have. It's about making smart choices that lead to long-term financial health and happiness. Ultimately, the goal is to create a lifestyle that brings you joy and fulfillment without compromising your financial future. By limiting lifestyle inflation, you can achieve a sustainable and rewarding financial journey. Chapter 10. Set clear financial goals. Let's talk about the importance of setting clear financial goals. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to wander aimlessly through your financial journey. But when you have specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you create a roadmap for your financial future. Start by identifying what's truly important to you. Do you dream of owning a home, retiring early, traveling the world? These are your long-term goals. Once you have those in mind, you can start breaking them down into smaller, more manageable short-term goals. For example, if your long-term goal is to retire early, your short-term goals might include maxing out your 401k contributions each year, paying off high-interest debt, building a 6-month emergency fund. By breaking down your goals into smaller steps, you make them feel less daunting and more achievable. And there you have it, 10 powerful money hacks for middle-income earners looking to boost their savings and investments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Money Saver Society for more tips, and share this video with someone ready to take control of their financial future. Until next time, keep saving and stay savvy.